Hi, welcome, Marianne, popping in. So, a lot of us who are on the WW Weight Watchers plan have discovered in the app that our weekly technique is missing. They replaced it with a library where you can see different techniques and go through the ones that you wish to look at your own convenience. But yes, there still is a weekly technique now. If you only have the app and you are not signed up for meetings, you will not have access to it. But if you are signed up for the meetings, the whole program, the everything, all the bells and whistles, you have to go to you can do it on your app, but I like to do things online because it's just bigger. I like to see things bigger. So I'm on the WW website at weightwatchers.com, and this is the home page. So we know the website doesn't have a lot to it, but if you want to see the weekly technique before you actually go to your meeting, it's going to drop on Sunday. And you're going to find it by clicking Find a Workshop, and we're going to switch to virtual and find a time. Okay, so if you scroll down a little bit, and let's say, so today's Monday, so we can see it today. It's going to be, you're going to click Tools and Techniques. And so it's going to bring up, they have this is basically Technique Express. So there's two. Today there are two, 3 o'clock and 6 p.m. So I'm on Pacific time. It's just a 15-minute podcast. It's a webinar giving you all the basics just like you would have had in your app. So that's how you're going to find it. So on Sunday, going to be the same. They're going to have it. Different techniques on Sunday, though. Plan with Me, Goal Getters, and only one Technique Express. So our Weight Watcher week, typically the new weekly will start on Sunday. So we're going to go to the Technique Express there and click Join Event. And it's only 15 minutes, and you can get your weekly there. And I don't know, I do in-person meetings, but I sometimes like to look at these meetings because, like, let's say, for instance, today, let's see, community special events. At 10 a.m., they have a simple stretch. Warm up for some light movement or take a break from your day as WW coaches take you through quick stretching and breathing sessions that can help you increase flexibility, mobility, and boost your mood. So, besides having the in-person, I'm very lucky that I have a studio near me that I can go to in-person meeting, but we also have access to all these other meetings. So if you want it broken down, you can just click one of these, what to eat. Today at 5 p.m., they're going to have a special cooking basics, canning, and preserving. They're going to have a veggie lovers, foodies, and snack hacks. So it's not just the usual weekly workshop. You can go to the weekly workshops. If you click weekly workshops, it's going to show all the times for your weekly workshops. And this is just the standard half-hour workshop where you can share everything and then also have a brief, however long everybody's sharing, that depends how long your weekly is going to be. But anyway, like I said, if you want to find the weekly, it's going to be under Tools and Techniques. And today I have one at 6 p.m. where I can get a more in-depth understanding of the technique, which this week is going to be about times, eating patterns. This whole month has been about myths, facts, and fiction. So this is going to be the last one for the month. But anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this helps. We'll see you next time. I will be going to my Wednesday workshop. Everything going as planned, as long as there's no life interruptions or anything like that. Okay, so see you next time. Thanks for watching.